These projects are a great example of autonomous energy's attention to detail. One of them's a 1 megawatt grid-connected rooftop solar project in Sydney, the other one being a 1.5 megawatt system in Adelaide. Together, these two sites now form the largest NeON solar array in the world. My name's Toby Coates. I'm a project manager for autonomous energy, and I've been looking after 2 solar projects for Westpac. On these projects, we're working with the LG NeON solar panels. These panels are some of the most efficient available on the market today, which means we can get more energy generation per square metre of roof space used. They also come with a 25-year warranty, which gives our clients the confidence that they're going to get a really long-lasting system. We needed to make sure that Westpac could maintain their business operations while we were carrying out our work. The program was very important to stick to the dates that we'd advertised so that we weren't delaying the works. So that involved a lot of weekend work, a lot of after-hours work, a lot of forward planning and reducing noise so that they could maintain the operations inside the building. It's really promising for us in the industry to see companies like Westpac investing in big solar. It protects them from changing energy prices. They can see that the returns are real and can also help them achieve their sustainability goals.